If you want to use circle to search on a Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can simply press and hold your finger on the home button at the bottom of the screen if you use buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures for navigation instead, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that you can find at the bottom of the screen. Once you press and hold your finger for a couple of seconds, then you should be able to activate this overlay, circle to search. Now, in order to search for something, you can either draw a shape around a subject that you're looking for, and then you should be able to get the selected area and Google search results. Now, besides that, instead of drawing a shape around a subject, you can also just simply tap on a subject in order to try to immediately select the area and choose the reference, actually the reference area, excuse me. So there we go. Then we have Google search results. You should be able to switch between all of these different categories if you're looking, for example, for visual matches. But besides that, we can of course use the circle to search in order to select a text, and then you can search by using the text. So it's up to if you want to use it for searching for something as a reference, I mean an image as a reference, or if you want to just simply search for quickly search for a definition, for example, or some sort of reference by tapping on the text. Of course, the selected text can be adjusted. I can draw a shape around the text as well, and there we go. Now, besides that, circle to search has a couple of additional features. For example, here at the bottom we have this music note button. We can tap on it in order to let the phone listen to our background to find a song. So if there is a song played in the background and you don't know the title of that song, you can use this feature in order to get a Google search result with the song title. So this is pretty much Shazam, which can be used to discover songs. You can also just sing or hum a song by yourself if you know how the song goes. And then we should be able to get the search result with the song title. So it's pretty great to find songs as well. And last but not least, you can also use the screen translation. So over here on the right side, we have this translation button. It translates the highlighted screen, so the current screen over here, from the source language to the target language, both of which can be adjusted over here. Usually the source language is automatically detected, but in case it is incorrectly selected, of course you can just tap on it and you can just choose a different language, the correct one. So this can be very helpful if you, especially if you often visit, let's say, websites or pages that are written in a foreign language, or if you just want to quickly translate something that you found in a foreign language. Now, of course, circle to search can be activated or deactivated, meaning that if you cannot really activate circle to search by holding the home button or the navigation bar, then in that case you can open settings, scroll down a little bit and go to the home screen, and then you should be able to find system navigation. If you have buttons selected, find press and hold home button, and then you can make sure that circle to search is enabled. And if you use the gestures, then in here we have press and hold full screen indicator, which is this navigation bar that we have at the bottom. Let me actually go back. Sorry about that. There we go here. And we can also enable or disable this feature. Leave a like and subscribe.